First of all, I love the packaging. I think this is so cute. I love the little lid, and it comes in brush like that. I'm kind of impressed. I kind of like it. So this is in shade 230N, and so I am probably going to use a little bit more. I really like that it has this little tool right here, because I feel like it helps with not wasting the product as much if it was, say for example, without the little application brush. So I know that's a lot of foundation, but I do love me a full coverage, so we are just gonna So let's get started with the concealer. So this is the concealer in a shade 200. So next we're going to use a Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, and this is in the shade 200C, and it says it's a moisturizing buildable concealer that melts seamlessly into the skin for undetectable cake-free coverage. So super excited. And it also has a little tool, so we are going to go. I might be using a little too much of the product, but just for the sake of the video. When you're applying concealer and when you go, you don't want to apply too much pressure under the eyes, just because you don't want cause more wrinkles. So you just go very gently. So I also did notice that there was no eyeshadows in the in the collection. So I don't know, maybe just because Selena hasn't came out with it yet, or once again maybe it was sold out. But I have seen in other reviews where the YouTubers will mention brand does not have any eyeshadows yet. So I'm just gonna use probably just one of my basic everyday colors, because I do want to keep this look somewhat natural, just because I believe her line would be just because I think it will go line really well. So I'm just going to keep it very natural, but dust this off.
Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah.
So up next I am going to use, which I'm really excited about this. It's a liquid blush and it's in color Bliss. I don't know if you guys can see this right there. So we're just gonna and blend it out with my beauty blender.
Just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end.
All right. Hi. I like this blush. It's so pretty. It's a liquid blush, and once again, it's in color Bliss. Super cute. Love this. So up next, I am gonna use this. Come in lots of different shades, and so the ones that I am going to be using, this is in color Flaunt, and this is in Enchant. So this is more of like a pinky tone, like a pearl pink. It's very pretty, and this is more of like a golden bronze. So I'm just probably gonna blend this together just because I'm all about the highlighter, and it's a liquid one, so I'm just gonna go.
Let me get closer to the light. Let me go under the water.
So I forgot what color I just used right now, but I'm gonna go once again with, yes, I'm gonna go with Flaunt. So can you guys see this? I'm gonna go with this. Give it a good shake. I'm really excited about the blush because I love liquid products because you can build so much. So you can apply a foundation, then you can apply your concealer, and then you can apply the blush and then the powder. So, and this is a very, very pretty blush. It's the color is very pretty. It's looks peachy, kind of a peachy tone, and but I think it will look good like on a olive skin, and I think it will look really good on like a fair skin tone. So I love this. So the color we'll be using today, it is called Heroic. You guys see this? This color is called Heroic. So we're gonna use this. It's like a very pretty fuchsia lipstick. So I am gonna go ahead and try this without a lip liner first.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight.
So first of all, the lipstick is really gorgeous. The color is so stunning. I really like how it feels on my lips. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel cakey. So I will probably get more colors just because I really like how it feels on my lips. So let's go ahead with the lip. I'm gonna go reapply. I'm gonna apply the lip liner so that way I can add another coat.
Into the great unknown. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's
And this is it. This is the finished look. Can you guys see the lipstick? I love how it feels on my lips. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel cakey. It glides on very smooth. So I will be definitely buying more colors. I love lipsticks. So this is definitely, I had to say, my favorite. So I will be getting more of the lipsticks. And here's the finished look. Wearing Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I have to say that I like this brand. I love the makeup. I think it's very pretty.
To a world we don't know. Into the great unknown. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
For the foundation, it was okay. So the foundation, it was $29. So it's somewhat affordable. It's not too expensive. The foundation was $29, and the concealer was brightening concealer was $19. So it's also pretty affordable. It's not that expensive, you know. And the liquid highlighters were okay. So $22 each. So worth it. Love this. And the lipstick was okay. So the blush was also $20 right here. Definitely have to say the blush was one of my faves. I have to say, yes, this was my favorite. This is $20. And the lipstick, which is in color Heroic, was $20 as well. So the prices are in you know, pretty affordable prices. They're not super expensive, Dior or Chanel or, you know, any other higher brands. I do have to pinpoint that I do love the packaging. I know when I was watching one of the videos, it did mention saying that because of Selena's autoimmune disease, she has started to put a lot of thought into the packaging. So the packaging comes with this, you know, little handles that you can, it's very easy to open. So for example, someone who's got like rheumatoid arthritis or any kind of problems, you know, it's very easy to open. I do find the packaging absolutely gorgeous. I think it's really beautiful. I love this little handles here, you know, these cute little circles. I think it's so adorable. I think it's going to be very iconic. I definitely love this. I love that the foundation comes with the application brush like that, sort of like a concealer, so you don't waste a lot of product while you're applying it. So I thought that was very, very interesting. Lipstick, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Beautiful. There are so many shades, but most of the shades at our local Sephora were already sold out. So I only had this color to pick from and one more, which was a brighter shade of pink, which I don't usually love wearing pink. So I got this, and I have to say, love this color. So pretty, right? So another thing is that the liquid highlighters, these are really gorgeous. These are so stunning. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I love my highlighters, and this is one of the best for sure. So it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I could definitely see wearing this highlighter with the foundation and just blend it with the beauty blender. I think it would look so gorgeous. So this is a color Flaunt highlighters. I believe there were like 4 to 5 different shades, maybe more. I can't remember, but these were two the most that I liked it. So, and this is another color in Enchant, and it's like this really pretty pink shimmer. So I'm gonna try this on my hand. I think it's so gorgeous. I'm in love with this highlighters. Like, this is definitely is a must-have from the beauty. So another thing I know about the foundation, that the foundation is in 46 or 48 shades. I can't remember on top of my head, but there's lots of varied colors, which is really nice. They're very inclusive. So that was really nice. That I thought it was awesome that she has decided to include all the different shades, all the different colors for all the skin tones, which is very important because sometimes I'm a little bit yellow undertone, so sometimes when I go in and look for a shade for me, it's really hard for me to find it because there's maybe ivory or, you know, porcelain or something in between. But sometimes I need something in between, and not do I always can find the shades that's, you know, suitable for my skin. I love that she had all the shades, which is really, really nice for darker skin, for lighter skin, for, you know, all different shades. So and another thing is, I have to say that the foundation, it was very it's very light, so it's not cakey. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels really lightweight. It feels really good on my skin. My skin feels really hydrated. The only reason I said that earlier it feels a little bit dry is because I applied a lot of powder, just because I wanted to have that, you know, super contoured look. So definitely can see, you know, you can definitely wear this, I would say, on a daily basis, or if you want more full coverage, you can apply another coat to make it more full coverage. Concealer is also really nice, because it's not like my eye does not fit under my eyes. It's been a couple of hours. I want to say like 2 hours maybe, because it took me this long to film the video and to do my makeup and all the other distractions in between, and I don't see any cakiness. So just zoom in. Doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cakey at all. So overall, I think this is such a gorgeous brand. I think it's such a beautiful packaging. I think it's very thoughtful. I thought it's very inclusive. I mean, anything that Selena Gomez does, she's so stunning, obviously. So I think she put a lot of thought into this. I think it's definitely worth it. As a professional makeup artist, I would definitely use this on my clients, and I would definitely use this on myself. So as far as the how it wears, I haven't, but I had this makeup for about a couple hours. I like how it looks. I like how it feels. My lips do not feel heavy. They do not feel cakey and like give you that weird feeling. Sometimes when you wear matte lipsticks, this was lipstick I'm actually pretty impressed, because my lips feel good. They, you know, so I'm obsessed. I really like this. So do I think it's worth the money? Absolutely. I think it's worth it. It's beautiful. All the colors, all the shades are there. The only problem is that we have with our local Sephora is that everything sells out so fast that you literally have to be first one in line to get in and to get your shade. So maybe I'm gonna try ordering online, see if I can get some in. But I do want to get a couple more shades of foundation for my kit, and I do want to get the concealers for my professional kit, so I can use those on my clients, on my brides, you know, and stuff like that. So thumbs up, love it, think it's the best. I hope you guys like my look. I hope you guys like my makeup. So this was my first video, and I am very, very excited. So see you next time.